Hello people, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I want to show you how many views this video have gotten since I posted it. And I wanted to make this video for a very long time, but if I remember I'll forget again. But today I said no, I'm going to do this video because this video is the video that is giving me hope. Like when I remember to be on this channel, this is the video that always give me hope. And we're going to see how many views this video have gotten. We'll also see how many subscribers this video have gotten since I posted it. If this video is what you want to see, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also stay to the end of this video because you know what, let's dive into it. So this video, since I posted it, it has gotten the overview of this video. I will disclose it for you later. Let's start with the reach. The people that have seen the thumbnail of this video is 955,400 people. That is to show you how serious this video, how fast YouTube pushes this video. 954 people have seen this video, and that is the reach. That is people that see the thumbnail but did not click. Then come down to how viewers find this video. When you come to how viewers find this video, they find this video through browser feature, They find this video through suggested videos, which browse feature got 66.89 66.8%. Suggested video, people that suggested this video, 29.7%. Then other YouTube feature, 2.1%. YouTube search, that means people don't really use YouTube search to see this video, 0.8%. Then and every other means that people find this video is 0.7%. Then there are other external sites or apps where this video is being found, of which the external app, I don't know, WhatsApp.com. Maybe people share it to WhatsApp. Somebody shares it to WhatsApp. I don't know, but WhatsApp got 26.7% people that saw the video through WhatsApp. Then people that saw it through Google search. This Google search 11.6%. That means people that saw this video through people that saw this video. That means people that saw this video through Google search is 11.6%. That is to say that means my keyword is okay. My tags are okay for people to be able to locate this video through Google search, and people that saw it through normal WhatsApp. You know, there's WhatsApp.com and normal WhatsApp. WhatsApp.com is on the browser, and normal WhatsApp is on your WhatsApp app. Say YouTube search terms. The search terms that people were using to find this my video, which a lot of people use this search term to find this video. And mind you, I made this video when I've not really know what I wanted to do. I don't know whether to go into entertainment or to go into technology or go into education or into tutorial. Before I finally decide to settle for tutorial, that's when I posted this video. If you go to my if you check down all my videos, you will see when I posted the video is either one or the third or fourth video I posted on this my page, and it has gotten this view before I finally decided on what I want to do. And what people use to find this video, Ikene Umenwa's wedding, that is the search term they use to find this video. Ikene Umenwa's white wedding and Ikene Umenwa's wedding full video. because that immediately I posted the video, that is what I use as my search term for the video. Then content suggesting this video. Congratulations to our Nollywood, my first time as a chief bridesmaid. Destiny Etiku surprise, um, surprise stuff, and congratulations Ekene Umewa. Then Ekene Umewa, Ekene and Allen's official trad. So this brings me to engagement. Let's go to engagement. Watch time that this video has gotten me in this channel is 3.3k watch hours that this video has gotten me on this my channel. As you can see, this is a lot compared to what I'm seeing now. This is a lot. And somebody will say, why didn't you continue? Why did you now decide to do educational content? Yeah, there's more to that. And average view duration of this video is 2.26 minutes for a video of I think for a video of 12 minutes. Engagement watch time or watch hour for this video is 3,300 watch hour, and that's a lot. Average view duration 2.26 minutes. Then how long people watch this video? Audience retention of this video is 59% of viewers are still watching till 0.30 mark, which is quite appreciable. And let's go to audience. Then in audience, the subscriber I got for this video. Let's give it a clap. The subscriber I got for this video is 396 subscriber is what I got from this video. And age limit, people that watch this video the most is people of age 25 to 34, people of age 35 to 44, people of age 45 to 54, and people of age 55 to 64. And people of age 65 plus, they're the ones that watch this video. The gender that watches the most is female, and of which we know male. We know them. The top geographical area that watch this my video, the top geographical area that watch this my video is Nigeria. That's the most geographical area that watch the video, followed by Ghana and followed by United States. And they watch time from subscribers. 99% did not subscribe on this video, and the subscribers I got from this video is quite little compared to the viewers, compared to the views that this video got. So I'm supposed to get more subscribers from this, but I think maybe they forgot to subscribe. That's why. This brings me to the real thing that they brought us here, which is how many views that this video have gotten. This video have gotten 81,498 views since it was published. I thank God. At least YouTube liked this video and they push it, and it got me subscribers. My aim is to get monetized, and when I got monetized, I saw what a lot of people are doing to push their channel. So when we get there, when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it. Audience retention, like I said, is 2.26. Intro, the key moment of audience retention, they watch till the intro, and till 59% of the viewers are still watching. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.